For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a TV mounting business can be a simple, low-cost venture with strong demand, especially in areas with growing populations and tech-savvy homeowners. With the help of free AI tools, you can launch, manage, and grow this business without needing to hire expensive consultants or designers. Below is a step-by-step guide that shows you how to get started. Step 1. Understand the market and validate the idea. Begin by researching your local area to find out if there is demand for TV mounting services. Use Google Trends to check interest in keywords like TV mounting service near me. Then use ChatGPT to analyze demand, competitors, and pricing strategies. You can ask ChatGPT prompt, create a market analysis for a TV mounting business in your city, including target audience, local competitors, and average prices. This helps you decide if the business is viable and where to focus your marketing efforts. Step 2. Create a business plan. Having a basic business plan will help you organize your ideas and plan your path to profitability. Use ChatGPT to write your plan quickly and clearly. ChatGPT prompt, write a one-page business plan for a TV mounting business, including business name, target market, services offered, pricing strategy, startup costs, and marketing approach. You can also use Notion AI to keep your plan organized and editable as your business evolves. Step 3. Choose a business name and logo. A strong brand begins with a memorable name and logo. Use Namelinks to generate business names for free. Input keywords like TV, mounting, install, or wall brackets. Then use Loca Free Logo Generator or Canva AI Logo Maker to create your logo. ChatGPT prompt, suggest 10 unique business names for a professional TV wall mounting service. Make sure your name is available as a domain using namecheap.com, free to search. You'll need this for your website later. Step 4. Set up business essentials. Start by getting a business phone number using Google Voice, which is free and works with your smartphone. Then set up a free Gmail account using your business name. Use this email to register for tools and communicate with customers. You may also want to register your business legally. Use ChatGPT to understand local licensing and permit requirements. ChatGPT prompt, what licenses and permits are required to start a TV mounting service in your city/state? Step 5. Learn and document the service process. Make sure you're confident performing the service. Watch tutorials on YouTube and use ChatGPT to create a service checklist. This helps you deliver consistent results. ChatGPT prompt, create a step-by-step checklist for safely mounting a flat-screen TV on drywall, including tools needed and safety precautions. You can also generate training materials for future hires or partners using Notion AI or ChatGPT. Step 6. Set your pricing structure. Determine your pricing based on local market research. You can also use AI to test your pricing ideas. ChatGPT prompt, suggest a competitive pricing strategy for TV mounting services, including optional add-ons like wire concealment, soundbar installation, and same-day service. Step 7. Build a website and online presence. Use Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, or Durable.co, which are free AI-powered website builders that let you create a simple site in minutes. Include service details, pricing, booking form, and contact info. ChatGPT prompt, write SEO-optimized website content for the homepage of a TV mounting business in your city, focusing on speed, professionalism, and affordability. Also create a free Google business profile. This makes your business appear in local search results and Google Maps. Step 8. Create marketing materials and launch online. Use Canva AI to design flyers, social media graphics, and service brochures. Build a social media presence on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok using AI-generated content. ChatGPT prompt, write 10 Instagram post captions promoting a local TV mounting service, focusing on customer convenience and tech-savvy professionalism. You can also ask ChatGPT prompt. Create a simple weekly marketing plan for a new TV mounting business using social media and local ads. Use Meta's free Ads Manager to run targeted ads on Facebook and Instagram using a small budget. Step 9. Automate quotes and bookings. Use Google Forms or Tally.so to create a free booking form where customers can request quotes. Then use Zapier to automatically send quotes or confirmations using Gmail or WhatsApp. ChatGPT prompt. Create a short, professional email template to confirm a customer's booking for TV mounting service, including time, date, and preparation instructions. Step 10. Get reviews and grow your reputation. Once you complete a few jobs, ask customers to leave Google reviews. Use ChatGPT to create scripts you can send to clients. ChatGPT prompt. Write a polite text message asking a customer to leave a Google review for my TV mounting service. As reviews grow, your visibility and trust will increase. You can also generate testimonial graphics using Canva AI to share online. Step 11. Track finances and plan for growth. Use ChatGPT or Excel plus AI tools like ChatGPT Code Interpreter to create a simple income and expense tracker. This helps you know when to reinvest in tools or hire help. ChatGPT prompt. Create a basic financial spreadsheet for tracking daily income and expenses for a home services business. When you're ready to expand, use ChatGPT to help with job descriptions, contractor agreements, and team training materials. Step 12. Continue learning and improving. Stay up to date with home technology trends, TV bracket innovations, and smart home integration. Ask ChatGPT to summarize new trends weekly. ChatGPT prompt. Give me a summary of current trends in home entertainment setups and how they affect demand for TV mounting services. You can also use ChatGPT to brainstorm service add-ons like floating shelf installations, wire hiding kits, or smart speaker mounting. Conclusion. Starting a TV mounting business using free AI tools is not only possible, it's highly efficient and cost-effective. With tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Notion AI, and Durable, you can launch quickly, operate professionally, and grow steadily. You don't need a lot of capital, just some tools, basic skills, and a willingness to use technology to your advantage. In this AI-assisted world, even small service businesses can have the edge. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.